Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a small haul, and I have a policy here, and you should adopt it. Always open any items you get in the mail that you have paid for on camera. Whether you show it or not is one thing, but if you open it on camera and there's a problem, they can't say you're lying about it or that, you know, it happened after or whatever. I am not going to fool around with this. I am going to cut with these handy dandy scissors from my son. Look, he told me after the video where I showed this as a Happy Mail, this has a notch that will open boxes. This is a box opening pair of scissors. God love you, Drew. Thank you so much. All right. Let's see. Oh, isn't that adorable for a Blythe? Okay. Isn't that cute for Christmas? Little candy cane. Just adorkable. All right. See what else I did get. Oh, I've been waiting for these. Okay, I think there was supposed to be 2 of these. Shoot, no, 2 in another color, I think. And if I can get it open. I don't want to tear this bag up because this one I will reuse for a fact. All right. Show you what this is, and then I won't show you in the other colors. It is a makeup bag. Real cute, isn't it? And they zip. They're made pretty good. I have bought these several times. Opens up. Has the netting on both ends, actually. I use these for carrying Blythe items when I take a Blythe somewhere. You know, change of clothes, a brush, extra rubber bands for the hair. Anything you would use on a photo shoot is a good idea. If you're going out to photograph your dolls, take some items with you, throw them in a plastic bag like this, and off you go, and you only have to reach over and grab that, not, oh no, I forgot my hairbrush and it looks bad. Somebody's pulling in the driveway. And then I got, 2 in purple. Cool. All right, those have a purpose, every one of them. Yep, we live next door to farms on both sides. We have a farmer that works both sides. And he just pulled in. That's good dog telling him. Oh, that's for Katie. How cute. How cute is that?
That's for Katie, the barking dog.
Yeah, that looks too big for her, though, once you get it on. We'll see. How cute. Okay, we took a little break there. Quieted the good dog. These are the hairbrushes that I get from AliExpress that I use on my dolls. My doll, Genesis, who rides on my bicycle on the trail that has dust, has her very own. I don't use that on other dolls. When you give a doll a bath, you can put this under the running water to wash it, and I keep one in those bags. All right, I buy the one just for those. You know what? I need to be very careful here because it feels like this comes up to the edge. I buy those brushes just to go inside there. Oh, eyes. Got some very interesting, see the cat eye?
Or snake eye.
Oh, snake eye, yeah. These are for Smart Dolls. I have some collabs, and Darren makes those heads now. Well, I have, 6 chaos heads that I need to get to? So I thought I should get some eyes. This was a deal, all of them together. I think there's 10 pair, and I got them cheap. I mean, they were like $4 or something like that. Not expensive. Watch that front page of AliExpress. I'm telling you, that's where the deals are through February usually. Oh, good. And I keep one of these in there. I use these on my Yorkshire Terrier and on my dolls. They do not cause static. And I like the big gaps in the teeth and the smaller, you start over here to get the knots and everything out at the bottom of the hair, working up towards the scalp. And then you have the smaller side. Love these. They're groomers tools, dog groomers tools. Okay, this I just wanted to open on camera, and I thought you might get a kick out of it. Darren and I debated, do we even want these? They are for our goats. We now have 4, well, we have 3. We have one that we bought, but she's still we're waiting for her to be bred before we pick her up. So, we got, nothing else in here? Tags for them, dog tags. I get these on eBay. I don't think I want to show oh, they're not laser printed. It said they were laser printed. Well, that's aggravating. I only, if you have a dog or a goat and you want to put the ID on it, only put your telephone number. That's all you should put. Never put your address on your dog's tag. People, there's so many people in today's world especially that are not good people. And if they find your dog and have your address, they know your watchdog's not there. No one's going to be alarmed by the dog barking that they're breaking in. So only put your telephone number. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Wave. Wave.
Oh, cute girl.
Katie, wave. Show them from the side. Oh, she's so cute. This side. Look how cute she is. Look how cute she is. She got a new dress.